Amazingly yummy, horchata is a sweet Mexican drink that is traditionally made with milk, rice and cinnamon, and I've seen many people getting obsessed with this drink. But instead of a drink, let's turn the refreshing drink to a refreshing popsicle and can enjoy any time we need to cool down. I bet that this popsicle recipe will be everyone's favorite that winds up with a glow. As I mentioned before, that this horchata is made usually with rice, but for our pop recipe, we will tweak in coconut milk instead of rice, just to avoid thick texture that forms like an ice when we freeze the mix. As they say, expect the unexpected. The ingredients used here are utterly simple, at hand's reach. Hello my dear family and friends, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. Do subscribe Siri Kitchen Moments for beautiful recipes. With this said, to get a rich, creamy and a perfect texture, let's use coconut milk and make the pops out of it, which everyone dreams of. Combining cinnamon and dates is super rich in potassium and fiber. Commonly, cinnamon helps in balancing blood sugar levels and stokes the metabolism. And with caramelizing dates, a rich buttery sweetness stokes that works perfectly with the combination of cinnamon warmth. We will use the dates just to avoid sugar on the whole. We can mimic to get the caramel out of the dates just as we do with sugar. The recipe that I'm showing here will be good for approximately around 6 popsicles. So we need 3 cups coconut milk, and this can be low fat or full fat coconut milk. The choice is yours. 15 dates, preferably medjool dates. If not, any other dates would do well. If time permits, you can soak these dates overnight or soak for 5 to 6 hours. Alternatively, when you have time crunch, you can follow as I'm showing it here for this recipe. Let the water boil and then add the hot water to these dates. I'm soaking these dates in hot water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, drain the water and keep the soaked dates aside. Now take 3 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 3 teaspoons vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. For any sweet or dessert, I like to add a tiny pinch of salt. Now that we have our ingredients in place, in a blender, add soaked dates, ground cinnamon, coconut milk, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Blend all these ingredients together until very smooth texture. Now that we have a smooth consistency, let's pour this mixture into the pop molds. You can use any clean ice cream molds. Fill in the mixture in each mold. Clean the edges and sides if any spills while pouring the mixture, and cover with the lid, and it's ready to go into the freezer. Keep it in the freezer and freeze for 1 hour. It's 1 hour. Let's take it out of the freezer and insert the sticks in the semi-solid mix and place in the freezer again. This time, freeze for minimum 5 hours more or until the pops become solid. Easy, perfect, time saver, homemade, fast and delicious Mexican horchata popsicle is just ready to pop in. You will just love them better than any other popsicle. If you like this easy and delicious recipe, please like this video. Share this refreshing pops recipe to your loved ones. Try this Mexican favorite recipe and comment your feedback. For more interesting recipe videos, please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments and click the bell icon for latest video notifications. Keep showering your support as always.